In this video, I'll show you how to change the opacity of any clip or text in DaVinci Resolve. First, I've added a video and a basic text title to my timeline. Click to select the text clip, then open the Inspector panel at the top right. Next, go to the Settings tab in the Inspector. Scroll down to the Composite section. Here you'll see the opacity slider. You can simply drag it to adjust the transparency of the text. Lower values make it more see-through, and 0 makes it fully invisible. Now let's animate the opacity so it changes over time. Move the playhead to the beginning of the text clip. Set the opacity to 0, then click the diamond icon next to it to add a starting keyframe. Move the playhead forward a few frames or seconds and set the opacity to 100. This creates a fade-in effect. To fade it out at the end, move the playhead close to the end of the text clip and click the diamond again to add a keyframe where opacity is still 100. Now go to the very end of the clip and set opacity back to 0. This creates a smooth fade out. You can click the keyframe button to see and adjust the timing of each point if needed. And that's it. Now your text fades in, stays visible, and fades out again.